Wildfires continue to devastate Los Angeles as the Palisades fire has scorched over 2,921 acres in the Pacific Palisades area, forcing the evacuation of 30,000 residents. The blaze, fueled by strong winds and dry conditions, has destroyed numerous buildings and caused traffic chaos. Nearby, the Eaton fire near Pasadena doubled in size within hours, consuming 400 acres and prompting the evacuation of a nursing home. Shocking scenes showed elderly residents being wheeled to safety amid smoky and chaotic conditions. Fire officials report multiple injuries, including burns and a firefighter with a head injury. Crews are battling these fires as Southern California faces an extreme fire threat. Stay tuned for updates on this developing story.